Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I want to show you how to use a Find My Device feature on Windows 11. So if you use this feature, you can locate your lost device which is using the Windows 11, and I'm going to show you how to use that feature. So first you need to go to the start menu and find settings. And in here at the settings page, you'll see at the left panel, go to the privacy and security, click on that. And here you'll find at the second row, find my device. So you can track your device if you think you've lost it. Just click on the menu here. So as you can see now, this feature is turned off in my device, and if you want to activate it, you can just click on this. And later, if you lost your device, you can find it the location when it is connected to internet. You can just go to account.microsoft.com to locate this device. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can use Find My Device feature on Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye!